Okay, so go to nearpod.com/student. Okay, and your code is going to be LEBVC. Okay, so on your screen, this, and I'll ask, make a nickname, and then after you make a nickname, on your screen, it will show this. Is this what's on your screen now? Question. Okay, so go ahead and answer that question. So how many of you have spilt water on yourself, and why do your clothes not stay wet forever? Type it in and give your best guess, Max. You submit your answer? Okay. Because water evaporates. Very good. Okay. It looks like we already have some knowledge of the water cycle. So the water cycle is made up of precipitation, evaporation, and condensation. And it sounds like you've heard these words before. And so now we're going to play a video real